Welcome back to our channel. We are Bitcoin Magazine Netherlands, and we are live right here from the Sugar Factory, right outside of Amsterdam for Bitcoin Amsterdam 2025. You know something? Our ecosystem can only exist with liquidity. We need to keep pumping funds into it so that we all can help towards mass adoption. And allocations, very appropriately named, allocating funds, allocations.com is doing just that. Kingsley is here with us today, trying to bring a little bit more light, trying to explain to us what it is they do and how they do it so that we can also support them and together we all can keep growing. So Kingsley, welcome.
Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure
good.
to meet you.
Thank
You are a big part of Bitcoin Amsterdam.
Thank you.
Is it your first time here in Amsterdam?
I've been to Amsterdam before.
Well, never to the actual conference.
This is my first Bitcoin Amsterdam conference.
Wonderful. So, welcome to
Thank you.
Amsterdam, presented by Treasury. So,
Thank you.
the name of your company, Allocations, very appropriately named. You are allocating funds. You told me a very long list just now
Yeah.
of all the ecosystems that you're supporting.
Yeah. So platform, we oversee over $2 billion in assets.
Yes.
And we powered about $50 million of investments into DAT companies. So that's digital asset treasury companies like Nakamoto, CA Industries, which is a B&B treasury company.
Yeah.
We've done investments into SUI-G, the SUI Treasury, the Solana Treasury. We've done Eatzilla as well, and a bunch of others. So we've been very active in the digital asset treasury ecosystem, and we've done lots of investments into the space.
Wonderful. So, how does one get to the point that you will actually consider them to allocate towards them?
We typically have fund managers that bring deals to the platform, and they, may be a advisor to the company or an investor that wants to aggregate a lot of smaller checks. So we have investors that invest in treasury companies via crypto.
Yeah.
So they, sometimes invest on a Sunday via stablecoin, and we can set up all the brokerage accounts for these companies as well. So we've had a lot of volume. We're one of the only companies in the world that can do these SPVs. It's quite a niche.
Yeah.
These DAC companies, you have the pipe, you have, reverse takeovers where investors are investing even before the company ticker is disclosed.
Wow.
So when these companies like Nakamoto, for instance, are raising before they actually do the acquisition, we're able to facilitate the and structure the transaction. So it's very efficient.
Very good. Now, you are not only leading the market, but there are others coming up behind you. How do you remain ahead? How do you make sure that what you are doing, the choices that you are making when allocating funds are the best ones?
Well, DAC companies move quickly. You need to be fast. Some of these deals can close in, a few days or weeks. So we definitely move very quickly. For our investors, we typically aggregate not just USD, but stablecoin. So on a Sunday, investors can wire in USDC or USDT. For instance, we had some investing 2 million, 3 million, 4 million just via stablecoins on a Sunday when the banks are closed. So the technology needs to be there, that we've been able to build good technology to make these deals move faster. So when there's a short timeline, maybe the company's going public or announcing the merger, that we, every minute matters. So we need to have the fastest technology to close these deals.
Now, where does Netherlands fall in the list of countries that are actively becoming more and more important to the crypto ecosystem?
Yeah, so you have Treasury, which is a Amsterdam-based Bitcoin treasury company, and they've announced a credit product. So you're seeing more Bitcoin treasury companies enter Europe. You have Capital B, you have there are a bunch of European Bitcoin treasury companies. Satsuma was one of the deals we did as well. So Europe is definitely a growing market. There has been a play of shorting the euro and longing Bitcoin. So we think European investors are getting more exposure now to Bitcoin. And we think it's a very interesting opportunity in Europe for Bitcoin treasury companies.
Okay. Now, Europe is trying to catch up.
Yeah.
There's a euro stablecoin coming out. How does these changes affect your company?
Well, soon we hopefully can accept euros for investments in these deals as well. So it would be, I think, accepting euros, expanding into other jurisdictions like Luxembourg, Gibraltar, we're getting some demand. So I think better technology to facilitate investments in these companies. That we'd love to add a euro stablecoin, for instance.
Wonderful. So what's the unique selling point of what it is you guys do? You are allocating, but what makes you unique?
But we have the best technology. Allocations has the best technology, and we've been able to power these niche deals into digital asset treasury companies.
Okay. Now, that's a very bold statement. We have the best technology.
Yeah.
When you say that, do you believe that at the end of the day, you're going to be able to maintain that level of technology as the years go by?
Yeah, I mean, I'm an engineer by background as well, so as an investor, I'm also an engineer, so I make hourly improvements to the product. So, things like brokerage accounts, cash accounts, stablecoin integrations, making the legal flow more efficient, the entity formation, expanding the jurisdictions,
Okay.
the KYC, making it faster. So every little part of the steps to invest in these treasury companies via SPVs, we're building the best SPV technology.
Wonderful. So you moved from the UK and
Dubai.
to Dubai.
Yeah.
Why the move? Why leave UK for Dubai?
I left the UK in about 2016, 2017. So I saw that Europe was not progressing as how I would have imagined. And so I became a UAE resident in I think 2017, 2018.
Okay.
And so there's many benefits, but I think this is many other entrepreneurs and millionaires exiting Europe and moving to better jurisdictions.
For better opportunities as well.
Better opportunities and better tax treatment, especially for an asset like Bitcoin.
Yeah.
It's appreciating, 60% year on year the last 5 years, 80% year on year the last 10 years. And so you don't want to have to pay tax on those capital gains.
So the best location, Dubai.
Dubai has been very good. I looked at many jurisdictions, but Dubai has been the easiest to get started. And so very bullish on Dubai as a jurisdiction for Bitcoin millionaires.
Wonderful. So you heard it here. Dubai is a perfect jurisdiction for the Bitcoin millionaires. Allocation is helping the ecosystems grow. They're investing, and not only are they investing, they're making sure to help adoption by making sure that these ecosystems grow with the necessary funds. So check them out. Go online. Kingsley, thank you very much for the opportunity to sit with you. It was a very interesting conversation. We are right here from Bitcoin Amsterdam 2025, right outside the beautiful city of Amsterdam. We are Bitcoin Magazine Netherlands. Share this video, like this video, leave a comment, and we'll see each other soon.